Hi everyone, today we are learning to add and subtract the fractions. I have taken here a few examples to explain this. My first example is 2 over 3 plus 4 over 3. Here I can see that both the denominators are same, so I can simply add the numerators. So it is 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 over 3. And 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. So my answer is 2. Next example is 5 over 6 plus 10 over 3. Here I can see that both the denominators are different. I can make this 3. I can change this 3 to 6 by multiplying it with 2. I have to multiply the numerator as well. So 10 times 2. 5 over 6 plus 20 over 6. Now both the denominators are same. I can simply add the numerators. It is 25 over 6. This is an improper fraction. I have to change it into mixed number. So I will divide this with 6. 6 4 times 24. 1 remainder. I can write it as a mixed number. Denominator will remain same, 6, and this bottom number 1 will go at the top and 4 will be here. So this is my answer. 4 and 1, 6. My next example is 9 over 5 minus 7 over 5. Here I can see that both the denominators are same. I can simply subtract the numerators. So 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 over 5. This is my answer. I cannot simplify it further. My last example is 4 over 5 minus 2 over 3. I have to, here both denominators are different. I have to make them same. So I can multiply 5 with 3 and 3 with 5. I have to multiply the both with the numerator as well as with the denominator. So my fraction will be 12 over 15 minus 10 over 15. Now the denominators are same. I can simply subtract the numerators. So it is 2 over 15. This is my answer, as I cannot simplify it further. If you find this video useful, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.